Hello everyone, this is Satvik from Pitson Transmission Technologies. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. This is one of our interesting product we have newly launched. It's called actuator. This has an accuracy of 6 arc seconds. This is a very high accuracy product, and it is with a compact motor, frameless DC motor, and harmonic gearbox. We are a gearbox manufacturing company and various customized solution provider. We also manufacture gears, and our specialty is we are making precision gearboxes for various aerospace, satellite tracking, and defense applications.